Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The program for today is sort the array based on pivot value. For example, this is array size, this is array of elements. Here the pivot value is 10. We have to sort the array based on pivot value. Means the 10 is the mid element. The smaller elements which is go left side, and the larger elements will go right side. Okay. The elements which are less than 10 will go left side, then elements which are greater than 10 will go right side. Based on that, we have to sort. It's like similar to quick sort. Okay, shall we begin with our program? Hope you understand the concept of it. As usual, we get input from the user, which is array size, sa.nested using scanner class. After that, we declare an empty array of size 7. Okay, we get the input and store it in that array ARR. Okay, in this case I proceed with the same elements, Control C, then Control V. So for I is equal to 0, ARR of 0 is 9. For I is equal to 1, ARR of 1 is 12. For I is equal to 2, which is 3. For I is equal to 3. The element is 5. For I is equal to 4, the element is 14. For I is equal to 5, the element is 10. After that, let me show it. Okay. For I is equal to 6, the element is 10. Okay. Likewise, the element will get stored in the array. After that, we get input from the user, which is pivot value. Here, the pivot value is 10, right? So, here the pivot value is 10. Okay. After that, I declare 3 empty array of size the same 7. Which means the one array A1 to store small elements which is less than pivot value. The second array which stores only the pivot value. The third array which will store the element which are greater than the pivot value. For example, in this case, the elements which are less than 10 what? It's 9, then 3, then 5. Which are the elements which is less than 10. Okay, these 3 elements are less than 10, which will store in A1 array. After that, the element which is equal to pivot value. Here, the pivot value is 10, right? There are 2 elements which is equal to 10. So, 10 will get stored here in the array A2. Then the elements which are greater than 10, elements which are greater than 10 or 14, 12, 2 elements. Okay, so 14 and 12 get stored in 12, 14 will get stored in A3. The remaining elements here 3, right? But the array size is 7. Initially the array allocate for remaining position is 0. Okay. Likewise, the element will get stored in this array. Three, 4, 7. Here it's also this 0 will come. Remaining position, the 0 will store. Okay, of size. After that, I declare 3 variables: first, second, and third. Okay, I begin with a for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than 7. For I is equal to 0, it will check ARR of 0 is less than pivot, which is 10. ARR of 0 is what? 9. 9 is less than 10. 9 is less than 10 as the condition true. So it will come here. ARR of first is here 0, right? First is initialized to 0. So ARR of 0 is equal to ARR of I. Now the ARR of I is 9, right? So it will remain same 9. After that, I will increment I to first to 1. Now it will come here because here the else if condition. So it will not go there. So I will get incremented to 1. Error of 1 is less than 10. Error of 1 value is 12. So it is great. The condition false. So it will come here that error of I equal to 10, 12 equal to 10. No, here also the condition false. So it will come here. Here 12 greater than 10 as the condition true. So here it will show sorry, A1 of 0 here, right? A1 of 0. So the resultant array I will mention here. Okay. So here A3 of third. Third is what? 0. So A3 of 0 is equal to 12. After that, third will get incremented to 1. Okay. Then I will get incremented to 2. So error of 2. Error of 2 is what? Error of 2 is 3. 3 is less than 10 as the condition true. So here A1 of first. Now first is 1, right? So A1 of first, which is equal to 3. After that, first will get incremented to 2. Here else if condition, so it will not go there. I will get incremented to 3. Now error of error of 3. Error of 3 is what? Which is 5. Okay. So 5 less than 10 as the condition true. So A1 of first. Now first is 2, right? So A1 of 2 is equal to error of I, which is 5. Then first will get incremented to 3. Okay. Now I will get incremented to 4. Error of 4 is 14. Okay. So error of 4, which is 14. 14 is less than 10. No, the condition false. So it will come here, which 14 is equal to 10. No, the condition false. So it will come here. 14 is greater than 10 as the condition true. Now error of third is equal to error of I. Error of A3 of third is what? 1. So A3 of 1, which is 14. Okay. Now I will get incremented to 5. ARR of 5. ARR of 5 is what? 10. So 10 is less than 10. No, the condition false. 10 is equal to 10 as the condition true. Now A2 of second. Second is what? 0, right? So A2 of 0 equal to 10. Then second will get incremented to 1. Okay. Then I will get incremented to 6. Error of 6. Error of 6 is also 10. So 10 is less than 10. No, the condition false. 10 is equal to 10 as the condition true. So it will become A2 of 1 is equal to A2 of 1 is equal to 10. Then second will get incremented to 2. After that, I will increment it to 7. Now the condition fails. So it will come outside the loop. I will explain how will that arrays are get stored in this A1 array. For A1 array, it will store A1 of 0 is equal to sorry, here. Likewise, the element will get stored. Okay. 935. Remaining elements are 0. Then for second array, there is only 2 elements, A2 of 0, A2 of 1. Position is 10, 10. Remaining elements will get 0. Okay. Then for A2 of A3 array will get stored like 12, 14. Remaining elements are 0. Likewise, the elements get stored in the 3 different array. After that, we have to sort the array. Like Arrays.sort A1 of A1, comma 0, comma first, which means it will sort the elements based on index. It starts with 0, inclusive. Then first is exclusive. Okay, first is exclusive. Okay, so it will sort the array A1, right? Arrays.sort of A1, 0 index to first index, it will get sorted. Okay, here 0 index is 9, first index is 3. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. These elements will get sorted exclusive 0, so it will get sorted to this only. Okay, so I just copy this, controls. Okay, so after this line, the elements will get sorted like it start with 0, right? So 0, 1, 2. 3 is exclusive. First value is 3 here. Okay, so 3 is exclusive. It will sort these 2 elements, 0, 1, 2. So how will it get sorted? 3, 5, 9. Remaining elements will 0. 0, 0, 0. Okay, it will get sorted like this. After that, we sort the array A3 from start with 0 and exclusive third. The same condition will apply here. Okay, so here the A3, it start with 0 index up to third element, up to third. 0 is inclusive, third is exclusive. Okay, so here third value is 1, right? So it will sort up to 1. Here third value is 2. I forgot to increment it. Okay, third value is 2, so it will up to 2. It will get sorted. So I copy the third elements. Okay, so here third is 2, right? So it will get sorted up to 1. So 0, 1. These elements will get sorted. Already it's sorted manner, so no problem. It will get sorted like this on same only. Remaining elements will store 0. Okay. After that, I iterate a loop 0 up to first. I is equal to 0. I less than first is what? 3, right? So it will print for I is equal to 0, AR of, it will print A1 of 0. A1 of 0 is what? A1 of 0 is 3. So 3 will get printed. A1 of 0 is A1 of 0. 3 will get printed. After that, I will get incremented to 1. So A1 of 1, which is 5. So 5 will get printed. Then A1 of, I will get incremented to 2. So A1 of 2, A1 of 2 is 9. After that, I will get incremented to 3. It will not satisfy the condition I less than 3. So it will come outside the loop. After that, same. Second, we have to iterate the second array A2. I is equal to 0. I less than up to second will run up to 2. Okay. So A2 of 0, which is 10, will get printed. Then I will get incremented to 1. So A2 of 1, which is also 10, 10 will get printed. After that, I will get incremented to 2. So it fails the condition. So it will come outside the loop. After that, we iterate third array. I is equal to 0, I less than third value also 2. For I is equal to 0, A3 of 0, which is 12. Okay, 12. Then I will get incremented to 1. A3 of 1 is A3 of 1, which is 14. Then I will get incremented to 2. The condition fails, so it will come outside the loop. So our final output will be 3, 1. Sorry, 3, 5, 9, then 10, 10, 10, 10, then 12, 14. Likewise, the elements will get printed in the console. Shall we run the program? I copy the same input. Okay. Yeah. Our output will be 3, 5, 9, 10, 10, 12, 14. 3, 5, 9, 10, 10, 12. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. Thank you.